All right. So then once you have this set up, let's open the platform, Hannah. Let's go to the top here in the menu. And then let's go to conversations. You can't see yourself. Oh yeah, you're here, right?
But this is the message, SMS.
Okay, so hold on. Let's go to settings. Let's go down. And then settings. And then let's go to integrations. Okay, so Leah, select a Facebook page here. Select here. And select OmniMove. Yeah, then connect. Okay, and here Messenger settings. Let's have a look. Okay, receive Facebook Messenger messages. You want this on. Click on save. Then what you can do here is that you go to the left and you go to settings in the menu.
Where is that?
In the menu on the left. Oh yeah, and sorry, it's in company, I believe. Yeah. And then go down here, scroll down, and then here you want to make sure that you have this merge Facebook contacts by name. Okay. And now when you get new leads reaching out to you, it should appear here in the conversations. Let's go back to all. So here I don't think it's synchronized yet. So hold on, let me see if I reach out to your page, if it's gonna appear. So I'm gonna share my screen. All right, so this is my Facebook. Here I'm gonna go to your page, which is OmniMove.
Yeah.
So this is your page, and so if I say, now share your screen again. Now you see it.
Yes.
Okay. So it means that then you're gonna be able to handle the conversation from here by Facebook messages. And then what's cool is that as soon as you get a new lead, from your Facebook Messenger, you would go to the right, you would click on create opportunity. No, on the right. No.
Yeah, sorry.
Create opportunity. Okay.
All right.
And then you would say pipeline, Gym pipeline, stage, that's a new lead. And then here you can add. Okay, and so now if you go to the opportunities, now that's it, I'm there, right? I didn't set up an automation for that. I didn't set up a trigger because some people will maybe speak with you. They're going to be maybe members speaking with you on your page,
Yeah.
So maybe you don't want to put everybody in this. Maybe we don't want to automate that. We can automate it, right? If you want this option, let me know. We can set this up. But I think it's best to do that manually for this step. Yeah. What do you think, Anna?
Yeah. No, this is good. This is good.
Let's go back to conversations. And so here, so you're gonna speak with me, right? I'm gonna tell you, I want to lose some weight and I want to get my energy back and I want to lose 10, 15 kg. And then you're gonna be like, okay, you remind me of this guy, just like you, da 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 da. Hey, you know what? Actually, I just interviewed him recently. Let me show you the interview I did with him. Bam! And then you send me the video. You add me also to the Facebook group, and then you build trust and rapport with me. We start having fun. We start laughing. And then maybe you send me a meal plan just to help me out. And you build trust, right? You build rapport, you build trust, and then at some points, once you feel that you got Remy's trust here in that example, All right, and you know what? If you really want to reach your goal fast, the best thing to do would be to schedule a one-on-one consultation so that we would take a whole hour, so that it's not just here on Messenger, you know, chatting. It would be like a full 1 hour consultation where I'm really gonna get to know you so that I can give you a custom plan in terms of nutrition, in terms of exercising, but also in terms of other things like sleep and stress and all the things that you need to reach your goals and lose those 15 kg. What do you think? Would you be available tomorrow at 6 p.m.? Yes. All right, cool. And then you would click on schedule here. And then boom, here you would select your calendar and then you would book me from here. Okay. And then you're gonna ask me, oh, by the way, what's your email address? It's just for my system so that you receive reminders. Okay, cool. And by the way, what's your phone number? Okay, cool. You know what I mean? So actually, it would be nice to ask for the email address and the phone number before you click on that schedule button. Because look, we're gonna test it, okay? Just ask me here in the chat, just ask me, what's your email address? And so here I'm gonna reply. And watch what happens here. Bam, you see on the right?
Yeah. Awesome.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Now ask me for my phone number. Bam.
Cool.
Okay. And now you can be like, okay, let's book an appointment, and you don't have to type it. It's already there. You can just book the appointment from there.
Oh, that's really helpful.
Okay. So even if it's still a bit more work than with the landing page strategy, we can still automate a lot here, you know, with the platform. You know what I mean? At least it's a CRM. You can put people, you know, in the pipeline, in the opportunities, right? You can, you know, book appointments from there. You know, you don't have to copy and paste stuff. It just does it automatically for you. You know, like we are automating as much as we can, right? Then if you need more automations, like for instance, each and every time that you get someone messaging your page, actually you would go into the opportunities. We can do that. The thing is that sometimes members will message your page and maybe you don't want them in your opportunities. It's up to you, right? When we automate, you know, we can't know if it's a lead coming from your ads or if it's or if it's a member messaging your page. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you would handle the conversations. Keep in mind, it's just like dating. You know, it's not like a guy meets someone in the street and would be like, "Hey, let's have sex and let's get married." That would be weird. Yeah. So it's the same if you ask, "Let's book an appointment." That would be weird. You want to build trust. You want to get to know them. You know, you want to follow up with them. Maybe at some point they're gonna stop speaking with you because they get busy. Well, you speak 2 hours later or you speak a day later. Keep following up. Keep building trust. Don't go too fast. Right? You don't want to schedule the appointment right away. First, you want to make sure that they would be a fit for that appointment. So you can ask questions like, "Hey, how committed are you?" If you feel that they are not that committed, you don't even try to book an appointment with them. You know, you can ask questions like that to test if already they are a fit for that one-on-one consultation, because you want to protect their time. You don't want them to waste their time, but most importantly, you don't want to waste your time.
It's great. I will definitely try that.
Yeah, so it's
I will blend with a little bit landing page, a little bit messenger. I think it's great.
It's going to be a bit more work, but if you stay on top of it, if you are responsive, right? If you do a good job building trust, building rapport, you know, you need to find a way to show them this social proof, the same kind of social proof you had on your landing page. You know, you need to do the same job than what the landing page was doing, right? But if you do that, then actually your leads are going to be cheaper. If you do a good job with your conversations, you can have a good scheduling rate also. If you have a good scheduling rate from those messenger conversations, you're going to crush it because usually the leads are cheaper with that method. Just more work. So some team owners prefer the landing page strategy because they don't do a good job with those conversations, and they prefer to use the landing page to automate even more, right? So it depends. Some gym owners will prefer the landing page strategy. Some gym owners will prefer the messenger strategy. You gotta test and see how you like it. I think that the messenger strategy is also a good one, but only if you're on top of it, right? Then you can get cheaper leads, cheaper appointments, cheaper shows, cheaper clients if you stay on top of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here you just gotta do the translation.
Yeah.
Your videos. Make sure it looks good. You know, your ad copy, your headlines, also the message that you're gonna send. That you have your 5 different videos, and then you can launch.
Yes.
All right.